Hello guys, my name is Dr. Hassan Jan and I recently passed my PLAB2 exam like a week ago. Well, it was a roller coaster ride of emotions, but you know what? Best part of this journey was joining the Medastra Academy. There are a lot of academies here. The thing that distinguishes Medastra from all other academies is not only educational stuff, it's like the emotional support that they provide. Like anything you are going through, Dr. Sara and Dr. Awan, they help you a lot in every aspect. Coming back to the knowledge, their flip cards, they are so amazing. I would call them as an elixir for me, and I hope for all of you guys. Joining Medastra basically wasn't a leap of faith for me because I have seen my seniors who passed after getting their coaching from Medastra, and whatever they told me, I knew from the start that it is the one for me. So I just joined it and the result is now in front of you. Now let's talk about their mocks exam. So they basically give you a real experience how it feels to be like in that cubicle for the 8 seconds, like the British simulators with different kind of accents, and you have to deal with them. And then after that, detailed feedback. I don't think anyone else give you that much of a detailed feedback what Medastra examiners gave you. That was also a very plus point. Apart from that, their manikins, they are quite like a very close resemblance to the real ones. And apart from that, all the other stuff like teaching examinations and prescriptions, everything, they try their best. I wish you all the guys best of luck for your upcoming exam, and I would also recommend Medastra for the PLAB2 Academy. Thank you.